I'm often asked the question, how much home can I afford? It's Mark Gellman, eXp Realty, St. Louis, Missouri. I like to rephrase the question and actually look at how much home do you feel comfortable buying? What is a monthly payment that's not going to put undue stress on you, that's still going to allow you to enjoy life and live in that home that meets all your needs? Where we begin in this process is traditionally with a budgeting, making sure that you understand what your monthly, weekly, and your annual expenses are. So again, it's a thorough process, but I love to do that exercise. Then speak to a lender. Understand what's gonna happen with the payment process of you're gonna have insurance, you're gonna have taxes, your monthly interest plus principal. Figure out that amount and then tweak accordingly. Once you know the amount that you're comfortable with, not that you can afford, because all lenders will pre-approve you for an amount that you're qualified for, but I wanna focus on what you're comfortable with. If you have any questions about buying, selling, investing, if you wanna meet a local lender that's gonna help you through this process, we can introduce you. Have an amazing day.